vlog. And today's video, for the kain na naman tayo. Obviously, kakadating ko lang from work. So, nagdala ako some of the pastry bread na pinabenta sa bayan. So, at before that, I would like to introduce to you my assistant for today's video. Dahil wala siyang pasok. Ito na siya, guys. I would like to introduce to you my assistant. Ririn, pasok. Oh. Turn.
Hi.
Come join me. Rigid. For those na bago sa vlog namin, by the way, I would like to introduce myself. Ako nga pala si Mabel. And this is Utoy, my assistant for today. And by the way, guys, to those na bago sa aming vlog, we are living here in the countryside of Philippines. Actually, it is a province of Antique. For those na may idea about Sabinarayan, so yeah, it's from Antique. So before anything else, palamig na yung kape namin, it's obviously ang merienda. Merienda po namin sa hapon. Ito po yung some of pastry bread na tinitinda dito sa province namin. So, we got we have here this one. Meron kaming pan de coco, ubi bar, and Spanish bread, binangkal, this one. Then we got a Spanish, I forgot the name. It's Spanish. It's Spanish. Hopia. It's a hopia, guys. Hindi naman siya sobrang special, pero ito, I would like to introduce some of our bread here in the province. Siyempre, ilaw natin yung expectation natin. Kasi, hindi naman siya pero they're nice. Let's try, guys. Ayaw niya kasi inom ng kape. So, ako na lang po. Actually, meron siyang tubig. Tubig na lang yung sa kanya. So, guys, let's try first. Ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo i-try? Okay. I-share tayo. Hati mo. Taste test. Here in Antique, we call it binangkal. Tawag dito is binangkal. Actually, ito is piniprito nila. Tapos, nilagyan ng anong tawag nito? I forgot the name. Tinatawag, ito to, alam mo to?
Daw sa pandito.
Ano ba ito? Basta guys, I will put it there para may idea kayo. Actually, it's kind of green. I don't know. Basta. Puro lang. As you can see, medyo mantika siya. Like what I said, prito siya. So, yeah. Medyo matigas. Pero, medyo matigas, tapos mamantika. Pero, makita mo na solid yung loob niya, yung laman niya. Kuhaw daw siya. Alright, let's go. Kakadating ko lang, kaya wala. Ganito. Now we proceed sa ating may tanong ako sa'yo. Sa 5, ano yung pinaka gusto mo? That is a pan de coco. Let's save for the last. Okay? Muna, we'll try Spanish bread. Try po natin yung Spanish bread. Ito naman is kabaliktaran sa isa. Kanina, ito kanina is medyo solid yung laman niya. Then, ito naman, soft niya. Spanish bread. As you can see, meron siyang filling sa loob. Kaya, yun yung nagpapalasa yung tamis niya. No? Ano? Ano? Wait, I forgot. Wait, 1 to 5. What score? Ano score niya? 3. See guys, yung binangkal for him, it's a 3 point. For me, I think it's 3. It's not bad. And this one, what is the point? Actually guys, it's perfect. Oh guys, he gave a points of 5. 5 for this. Now let's proceed. Let's try this one. It's called a hopia in Spanish. Kasi medyo wow, solid yung solid yung laman. Literal lang, malaman siya. One. Okay. Obviously, more siya sa feeling. Medyo matigas lang siya. At mas sweet siya. Meron yung lasa niya sweet. Then, malalasahan mo yung ang tawag nun? Yung sibuyas. What is your score to this bread?
2.
Huh? 2 daw guys. 2. For me, I think 3. Now, we proceed to Ubi bar. Ubi bar.
Hindi po patami yan. Nag-record ko ngayon.
Ito naman, kung titingnan mo, medyo solid yung pero sa totoo lang is niya, tawag to? Soft. Then 4. The Ubi bar for him is 4. Now, let's proceed sa last na bread.
Wow!
So, ito na guys. Yung pinaka-last favorite niya daw among the 5 of bread. So, sige, kunin mo since it's your favorite. Wala rin. Magkabay, nahiya daw. Favorite niya daw. Ito naman, feeling niya is niyog. Kaya nga siguro tinawag itong pandikoko dahil
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried.
made of coconut. Pandikoko. Soft. Yeah. Wala yun. Ganda naman na. Hindi nahiya daw. Now, what is the rate?
Ano? What?
Ano score mo? What is your score to this pandikoko? 5 daw. Perfect daw. Kasi favorite na nga, diba? Like I said. Gusto niya daw to. Among the bread. For me, siguro this ubi bar. Next, ito. Pandikoko. Then, this one. Yung binangkal. Ito kasi yung dalawa. Okay naman siya, pero sa akin lang talaga yung hindi ko talaga medyo bet yung yung matamis na pinapay. So, yun guys, yun lang yung aming ma-share for today's video. And this is the end of our video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
and don't forget to comment kung taga saan kayo para malaman namin kung saan nakakaabot ang video ito. And this is your Lucky. Always say, be happy and keep Lucky. Once again, thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye.